Unsuspend X account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn step-by-step process of how you can appeal your Twitter and recover your account. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web application and at the top search bar type in Twitter Help Center. Then tap on Contact Us at the first search result. Under Select a Topic, you will see various articles. Select the one that says Locked and Unsuspended Account Issues. As you do so, it will direct you to this page. Tap on Account Access tab and enter your X username. Enter your X email address and type in the description of your problem that your account has been suspended or locked. Once you do so, tap on to Submit and they will contact your email address. So make sure that you are updated, and that is how you can unsuspend your account. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.